take the Tsene Rene. It was published in all the main centers of printing in Europe from 16th, 17th century to 20th century, but I mean, let's say to 19th century if before the Haskalah. And you see very great, you have, of course, you have this text, with very important text into the daily life, and you read it on Ex Shabbat, and so it's a very important commentary that you read each week, and so it's from let's say from Basel to Lublin or Krakow to Amsterdam, women and men, they read this book, the same book, so it's absolutely amazing in big cities, in big communities, and also in Stettler. It was a very, very famous book, so you find it in private libraries and all over the Ashkenazi world. And also you have differences, you have discrepancies between, you have linguistic differences, you have additions, you have transformation, more religious editions. During the Haskalah period, you have more, let's say, a modernization of the text. So it's also a very living tradition, changing and following the transformation and the mutation of the Ashkenazi culture and society. So it's what is extremely interesting in the Ashkenazi culture and society. It's this unity, and also the fact that you have many subcultures, and you can feel good in a huge society, a huge world as Ashkenazi world, and also, for example, in Paris, or you have a specific Yiddish culture, which is not the same as in I don't know, of course in Poland or in so it's one of the richness of this culture, this Yiddish culture.